Welcome to Ephraim Zofate channel. Please like, share and subscribe.
Manipur boy na chu are deuh nia kan hriat nuwa ai hnuk nok chhole tatlat maya India Independence Day voisom sri le pasari na lamka Zofate nan man na chuan ngonga nei chhozela State Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh chuan Churachandpur a Independence Day parade chu sarkar hriat puilo unofficial a manani ti in asoya mipui pol pakhatin silai changkang tak an thuchhuah chungchanga Churachandpur Deputy Commissioner le Superintendent of Police ne tangin report a deal ni in asoi will take action ti in man lak tu thochiang takin asoi ni heti hian han ngai to chin tiang India in tuklu kan tumna lama kan dai sual zo don nge ni mel malam ten mitan lo len reng boxi nen kan phei che kan chep sual don nge ni lo ngai chan phot bak ti the kan nei lo chu ani hi mi tu te emo pung khat kan tum phet hian kan pung khat lo zia tilang tu a atang loi si ani hi thulung chia thak te mai kan han hrazui le ta a ni som priyata Ukhrul district a Zofa kuki te chen na thawai khwa a kuki mi pa pathum chu rong takin than ni le ta a apoi Meitei buk khi soile thinila murder te thlamuang takin chawro se tin nan thla liam ani han soi chun zom le ta ila Ukhrul district hi Manipur state a chuan naga te chen tamna ani a naga ten anram nian chal an rin huam chung ami Nagalim tian ko ani ti khatam takin kan sia tu mani se han soi bel hramila chu mai baka hetatang hianin thu ngai ven om deuh mai aron richuak deuh hluaya NSCN le sanie in soi Khosivei Lovingson rowa thu soi video aron viral chiam meya
Some from Pumai, Naga Army, Rain Corporal 2015 base. First posting Sir Elijah Guard. Second posting GSQ. Third training center. And went to Thumbo Brigade. That is in thuchhuah Tong. And I came here from Fefak group, that is Meitei group, who is a fighter for the Meitei. And our NSCN, I am just supply some weapons, that is AK-47, SLR, pistol we supply to the FIFA group.
You were fighting with whom?
With cookies.
Why were you fighting against cookies? Why do you want to fight with Meiteis against cookie?
Because if I did not mean that if the problem happen, if the situation happen, we just came to help the Meitei, that's why we just came here.
How many weapons have you given to Meiteis?
5.
What? Which weapon?
AK.
And whom did you give it to?
That is FIFA Cup.
Huh?
FIFA group.
FIFA. What is the name of this guy?
Ibomcha.
You have met him?
Yeah.
Where did you meet him? In Kangla-Tumbi?
Kangla-Tumbi in Main Bazaar.
Main Bazaar, where?
Hotel.
And then outpost also?
Yeah.
Which outpost?
Just near that.
Who were there?
There is some police.
So you met Ibomcha in front of police?
No. We just doing some security and he took the weapon. He went back, I went back.
Okay, how much did he pay you?
He just paid some amount.
Okay, how much?
Around 10 to 15.
10 to 15,000 or
Lakhs.
Lakhs?
Yeah.
And where did you give that amount?
We just sent to some out and we just paying some and some is still with us.
So what is the plan of your NSCN? Are more people coming to fight with Meiteis?
Yeah, might be some people they might be coming.
From NSCN?
Yeah.
And who is passing these orders?
Just Sunni Tinisan.
Huh?
Sunni Tinisan.
What is his rank?
His rank is a senior corporal.
Where is he posted?
He is posted in GSQ.
GHQ in where? GHQ?
Headquarter.
Huh?
GSQ headquarter.
Where? Hebron?
Hebron, yes.
GHQ where?
Just nearby Hebron.
What is the name of the place you know?
That is Hebron.
Hebron
area.
So he passed you orders?
Yes.
What did he pass? What did he tell you?
He did not tell us, he just go to Info full loop and we were going to help our pre-pack group, he told us.
Okay. And how many people are planning to come?
Around 10 to 15.
NSCN IM?
Yeah,
Or which group?
in pre-pack club.
No, NSCN IM group is coming.
Yes.
From 10 to 15 from NSCN IM.
Twice.
And how many of you have joined?
No one, still no one.
You are the
Yeah, I'm the first line.
you are the first line.
Yeah.
And you contacted whom? Which Meitei? Which Meitei guy you contacted?
To the Ibomcha, I contact him.
Ibomcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Khosibei chuan Meitei te puiturin NSCN te an che chhuah tur thu le ral thuam a hral thu a soi chuan ngai ven a hlo hle ani hemi chung changa hian Major General HR Shimrei MC Director Public Information Bureau Naga Army in a soi fiana aron nei ngal fata ani chuan H Khosibei Livingston rowa Shipuni rowa fapa hi mirin tlak lo ani ba ka NSCN te ti mingchhe tumna ni in alanga propaganda phwa chok dik tak ani ti in soifiana ane NSCN te ming kan lam le sekta ka chuan National Socialist Council of Nagalim NSCN te hi pu ni a anin thenti kan hrianga tuna kan soi te hi NSCN ke anti SS khaplanga pol ni lo zo NSCN pu Isaac chisi sule thuinga leng muiwa te hruai NSCN zo thuchhuah ani kan soi ta ki ti in kan hriat sa thoma ni se an bele zoila a thawme anin soi fiana hi rin tur nge rin lo tur ti chu mimal ngai dan ni sera atuk mai August ni som pakwa an naga ti chuan thuchhuah ron siam sui le in he hian ngai to na ati thui zual ta hle mai an thuchhuah chu hetiang hi ani Government of the People's Republic of Nagalim Ministry of Information and Publicity thuchhuah ani a hetiang hi an thuchhuah chu ani August ni som priat kumsang mi le som ni le Pathuma Ukhrul District a Thowai kuki khwa bula om sipjang khwa thil thlengkha KVKLI Kanglei Walong Kans Luk le MNRF Manipur Naga Revolutionary Front chung pol pahi inzom te chuan kuki khwa mi pathum an that ni a hriat ani a NSCN chuan Nagalim ram huam chin thu nei na hnuaia thil thleng ani vai na sa takin adema chuti rualin NMRF te chu Manipur phaizola eng emo poltran puina kal an ni awangin Manipura Nagami puite ai an o lo ti an soi ani engwang po ni se naga te chuan Meitei kuki zote tharum thona nagabiala adu ulwa Meitei kuki zo namin ti boina wangin naga huam chunga tu thisen ma aluang chuak tur ani lo ti in thuchhuah chuan atar lang he thuchhuah hi bikin Nagaland Post baka print le electronic media lian zok ten an chhuah na sa hle NSCN chuan thawai a zofa kuki pathum te thi na amo phurtu apu MNRF chu Manipur phaizola engema organization jan puya kal an ni vain Manipura Nagami puite ai an olo ti Nagaland Post kal tangin asoinon le bok ani